All right. Hi. Thank you for joining me. We are in Dinkytown, the heart of University of Minnesota Twin Cities College, and we're gonna be heading to Tasty Pot. So join me. Check it out. Check it out. It is cold out here, for sure, but we're gonna be heading to the hot pot area, which I think it's a little bit over there. Okay. As you can see, I miss just going out and walking to this place. See Cadoba, I don't know, Cadoba. All right. Okay, here, Tasty Pot. We're here at Tasty Pot with my sister. So we're gonna check out the place. Okay, so we have here the Taiwanese noodle soup. And then we have here the seafood noodle soup. And also, yes. And then we have over here the Thai noodle soup. Yum, yum, yum. Let's get grubbing. All right, hello. We are at Hot Pot at Tasty Pot. And so, you can watch me eat. This is the Taiwanese hot pot soup.
Everything okay?
Yes. Yep.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. Thank you. Thanks. I came here like, was it 2 years ago? Pre-COVID. And then I was like, dang, this hot pot is really good. And I never came back because, I don't know, it's just like, you know, it's out of sight, out of mind because it's all the way in Dinkytown.
Right.
Spicy. But it's so good. Yeah, I need some water.
Okay.
There.
Okay, like that, huh?
So they give me shrimp over there. Okay. Okay. We're gonna continue eating. We'll order ice cream. Okay, we're gonna go and order some ice cream in here. Mango. Cute. So cute. Show you my order, okay? I'm gonna sit down. And wait for our cakes. Wait. Very cute. Let's grub. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like channel to help my channel. And click the notification bell for more videos to come. And don't forget to comment. Bye.